in this box, Isaiah?
What? A box.
What's in there? What's in the box? What's in the box, Isaiah?
A box.
Yes, it is a box. What's in the box? Oh, it's pretty heavy. Let me see if I can help you out. Whoa! You opened the box, Isaiah. Oh, come here. You opened the box. So what is inside the box? Who is this? Who's this? Son of Digger. It is Son of the Digger. All right. Okay, let's put him down. Who is this? Who is this? Is this Octopus? It is Octopus. Oh, yes. Let's put him down. Okay. Okay, who else do you got? Who is this? Who is it? Is that Joker? Or Jester? Jester. I said it wrong. Isaiah said it right. Jester. Okay, let's put Jester down. Okay, who else do you have? Who else do we have? Who is this? Is that Blue Thunder? Oh, Blue Thunder. Oh, that is Blue Thunder. Oh, let's get him up there. Let's get him in the camera. All right, let's sit him down. Who else do you have? Ice Cream Man. Oh, I like ice cream. Do you like ice cream, Isaiah? We all like ice cream. All right, let's put him down. Who else do you have in the box? Who else is in the box? Ooh, who is this? Is that a dragon? That is a cool looking dragon. Ooh, he's scary. Let's put him down. Okay. Who else do you have, Isaiah? Who else do we have? Gas Monkey Garage? Oh, wow. That's one of my favorite shows, too. Look at his face. Oh, that's a funny looking monkey. I like him. Okay. Who else? Who else do we have, Isaiah? Who else do Oh, the famous Gravedigger, the dad of Son of Digger. Ooh, check him out again. Oh, he's so cool. Okay, yes, this is his son again. Okay, who else is in the box? Who's in the box? Oh, you want to put them together and show the camera them together? Let's put them together. Son and Dad. Son Digger, Dad Digger. Okay, who's in the box? Who else is in the box? I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, what? Ah, it's a zombie. Oh, zombie. He's so cool. Zombie. Okay, let's see who else has. He has a lot of trucks, so be prepared. Oh, you guys are going to be surprised when you see this one. It's the Ice El Toro Loco. Oh, he's so cold. Oh, he needs to warm up. Oh. Who else do you have? Monster Mutt. Roof, roof. Monster Mutt. I have a friend. His name is Pluto. He's a mutt. But this is Monster Mutt. Oh, and I have another friend. His name's Goofy. He's a mutt too. Okay. Who is this? All beefed up. He is all beefed up. Whoa. Whoa. He is beefed up. Okay. Who else do you have? Who else do you have? This is a special Monster Mutt. This one is Domination. Domination. You see on the back, it says, well, let's see if we can get it. I don't know if we can get it. Okay. On the back, it says Domination Monster Mutt. So he's just a different type of Monster Mutt. But he's like a Dalmatian. So they call him Domination. Okay. I'm so excited. So excited. Who else do you? Spider-Man. Isaiah calls him man. Spider-Man. Spider-Man is so cool. It's Spider-Man. You know that Marvel is owned by me now. I own Marvel. Okay, Disney does, but I'm pretty much Disney. Don't tell them that. I own Disney. And I own Spider-Man. All right. So, who else do you have?
The vacation.
I was just kidding. Sony owns Spider-Man. But maybe someday we'll get him back. Okay. Who is this? Education? Higher education? Everybody, make sure you get a good education. And someday, you will be able to own a school bus like this. Or maybe you go to school in a school bus like this. This would be a cool school bus to go to school in. Yeah, I wish I went to school in that one. Okay, what else do you have? Okay, here's the regular El Toro logo. Ah, you like my monster truck sound effects? It's so cool. Okay, who else do you have? This is... So Isaiah, he likes to dismantle his monster trucks. So this is just a monster truck he got in the store. And it's kind of dismantled, but still a monster truck. All right. Let's put him there. There's another monster truck. It's like a Jeep type monster truck. This one's cool. All right. Not part of Monster Jam, but still a cool truck. Who else do you have? Oh, okay. This is like we just painted the other one. It's green now. Green Jeep, green monster truck. All right. Who else we have? Oh, a big rig. A blue big rig monster truck. Oh, did you hear? Here. Okay. Who else do you have? Who else is in the box? Who is in the box?
Mama.
Oh, this one is cool. This is Rottweiler. Oh, also, I don't know if you can see on the back, it's a little tough. It is a different type of monster mutt. So let's look at the three. Hold on. Let's look at the three monsters. I know. Hold on. Let's see. Where is Domination? Okay. So we have Domination. We have Rottweiler. And we have Monster Mutt. Whoa! Look at all three of these monster mutts. Totally cool. And who else we got in the box? Okay, here's another one that Isaiah likes to dismantle. It's okay. They're his trucks. He can do what he wants with them. But here's another cool monster truck. We lost the top, so this is what it is. They're Isaiah's toys. He can do what he wants with them. Okay. Now, here is a very cool one. Is this a cool one, Isaiah? Gravedigger! A little bit bigger. This, I believe, is the very first Gravedigger Isaiah got. That's why he's a little roughed up, because Isaiah loves his Gravediggers. Okay, who else do you have? What's in here? Okay, this is not a monster truck. This is not Monster Jam, but this is, I threw it. This is Ryder's little ride from Paw Patrol. Okay, stay tuned to Disney. I don't know, Paw Patrol's not owned by Disney. So like Disney stuff. Back to the Gas Monkey Garage. All right, hey guy, get your hands out of my shot. Why does this guy have his hands in my shot? I don't know who this guy is. All right. Putting his hands in my shot. All right. Okay, here is another special one. It was hidden behind the box. It is the Fire Zombie! Rah! Fire Zombie! Okay, where's your other zombie? Okay, let's put the two zombies together and let's see. Oh, look. We have two zombies together. Oh, so scary. Who do you want to? Monster Mutt. Isaiah likes Monster Mutt. He's like, oh, let me see some videos on Monster Mutt. Let me see videos on Monster Mutt. Who's your favorite truck, Isaiah? Who's your favorite truck? Which one's? Okay, we're going to shut the box. Let me help you shut the box. Okay. I'm going to do an interview with Isaiah and see who's your favorite truck. Oh, cool. What color is he? He likes the Rottweiler. What color is he? He is black. He's black and brown, huh? Okay. What color is Jester? What color is he?
Green.
He is green! Oh, okay. What color is this truck? It is blue! This boy is so smart. Okay, what color is Ice Cream Man?
Blue.
He has blue on him, but does he have more white on him? Is he white too? He's like, whatever. He's white and blue. He does have blue on him. What color is El Toro Logo? He is blue. Ooh, he's cold blue. Oh, let's see. Let's give him a secret one. Let's see if he knows this color. What color is this?
Red.
It is red. It is red. Oh, red. Okay, now we're gonna throw him off here a little bit. Let's see. What color is Higher Learning?
Education.
Oh, see? He knows it was a Higher Learning. Higher Education, what color is he?
Education.
What color is he?
Education.
Higher Education, what color? Higher Education, what color is he? Is he blue? No, he's not blue, huh? Is he yellow? He's yellow. Isaiah knows yellow. He's just distracted a little bit. Is he yellow? Yeah, he's yellow. Who else do we have down here? Okay. What color is he?
Green.
What's his name?
Green.
What's his name?
Green.
His name is Green. Is his name Dragon? Yeah, Green Dragon. And he also has some gold wheels. Ooh, bling bling gold wheels. Yeah, you didn't think I knew bling bling, huh? I know bling bling. I know what's up. I know nowadays what's going on. Let's see. What color is Fire Zombie?
And orange.
He is orange. He's orange. Okay, let's go back to education. What color is education?
And yellow. Blue.
He's yellow.
Green.
What color is Gravedigger?
And green.
He's green. And black too, huh? He's got black. He's got some black. What color is Son of Digger? What color is he? Wa-da-da. Hey, dude, get your arm out of my shot. I'm trying to do stuff here. This guy. Oh, he's got his arm in a shot or something. I don't know what's going on with him. Hey, sorry, man. I'm just trying to get into the picture here. Trying to get famous. Don't get famous. I'm famous. Isaiah's famous. Well, give your arm a shot. All right. Us, Isaiah and Mickey, are famous. Now, no, we don't want anybody else hogging the camera around here. We're trying to do a video. Isaiah, what else do you want to do? Are you done with the video? All done? Yeah? I don't know. All right, well, stay tuned for Izzy's World. And thank you all for participating. And like, subscribe. And if you subscribe, then you might see the videos pop up on your screen and know when Izzy's making a new video. Oh, one last truck. And get your arms out of the shot. Oh, sorry. All right. Oh, we have a red big rig. Yay! Can I see his trailer? Can I see his trailer? Alright. Whoops. Alright. Thank you all for watching. Yay!